Hello everyone, my name is Debbie. I have a free class to give out. Yes. A few weeks ago, I posted a video showing you guys my ready to wear pattern. And somebody asked me and said, do you use Natalie Bray pattern? Because your pattern looks like Natalie Bray. Well, my ready to wear pattern is not Natalie Bray. But do you know that I know how to draft Natalie Bray pattern? And I teach my students. And I have my reasons, okay? I teach my students 3 different types of methods, yeah, of drafting pattern. That's why I categorize them, okay? I have a bespoke pattern. I have ready-to-wear pattern, okay? So if you can do ready-to-wear in Natalie Bray, beautiful. If you can do ready-to-wear in other method that I love most, I so much love that method than Natalie Bray. But I teach Natalie Bray as well, and I'm an expert in Natalie Bray. Okay, so you want to learn how to draft Natalie Bray pattern, for free? Send a DM to me. I have a Telegram group where I have videos of how to draft Natalie Bray pattern, clear videos, like audio, 100%, clear videos. Okay, oh you can charge you, but I know you guys like free things. I have hosted free classes several times in the past, so and I enjoy that. You guys enjoy free things. Anyways, no problem. I have a free class to give away, right? So if you're on Telegram, or probably you have my business line, you can just check my bio. Okay, my business line is there, so reach out to me and I'll add you to the class. Now this class is not for somebody that has been using freehand. It's not for freehand user. Do you understand? So if you do not know how to draft any pattern, don't come, because I won't entertain any question. Oh ma, how did you get 2 cm to add to this one? I won't answer any question. So if you know you've been drafting patterns before, you will be able to understand Natalie Bray pattern, properly, very well. You will be able to digest it if you have the time to sit down on the video and watch very well. But if you're a freehand user and you just want to come into the class, well, anyways, you guys can network on the group. So you can throw your questions. Any other person can help you answer. But me, I will not answer, because I'm not collecting a dime from you guys, okay? So you know you are a freehand user. Don't even come. But if you have been drafting pattern very well, especially for bespoke, I should a big hair. So of course, I'm sure you guys will be able to understand how to draft it, because it's a clear video and it's well, like it's a detailed one. In fact, I'm very sure you will have little or no questions to ask. Draft pattern and there is no sewing tutorial. Okay, so if you think I will sew it and come and show you, though I promised in that video, but I have, because it's a free class, so don't even bother. Okay, but you want a free class? No problem. Natalie Bray, clear videos. Send me a DM. Thank you.